Hello everybody, I'm Lee Kinnard. Welcome to Kinnard Farms. For 5 generations, my family has proudly called this region of northeast Wisconsin home. Nearly 70 years ago, our parents, Alvin and Millie Kinnard, had a dream to start their own dairy farm. They started with 14 cows and 80 acres, using money borrowed from their parents. The next generation has continued this family tradition of caring for the land and producing high-quality milk. The Kinnard family's progressive approach to dairy farming has built a business that will last for generations. When it was time to modernize and build a new barn, years of research went into making sure the most innovative technology provided the cows with a comfortable place to rest, fresh food and water, and shelter from the temperature extremes. This is important not only for our girls, but also for the dedicated team of professionals who care for them around the clock. One of the highlights of the new barn is the carousel parlor, which holds 100 cows at a time. The carousel makes a full rotation every 8 minutes, with a new cow stepping onto the platform to be milked every 5 seconds. At this speed, 725 cows will be milked within an hour. The process continues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, with the only interruption being 3 45-minute shutdowns daily to thoroughly sanitize the entire system. The speed and efficiency of this milking process is very important to ensuring that our girls can spend the vast majority of their day lounging in their climate-controlled freestall barn. Our family chooses to milk our cows 3 times per day to maximize milk quality and cow comfort. Each cow steps onto the parlor and comfortably rides the merry-go-round for 1 rotation. Our girls very much look forward to the ride and enjoy the entire process. The cows often retrieve their food, or their cud, while on the carousel, which is a sign of a very content and comfortable cow. The first step of the milking process is physically checking the cow for milk quality. This is done to ensure that only the highest quality of milk is produced. Next, 2 additional milking technicians disinfect the cow's udder and prepare her for the attachment of the milking machine. A 4th technician attaches the unit to the now prepped and sanitized cow udder. Once the milking machine is attached to the cow, the milk begins to flow through a pipeline. As the milk flow slows down, a computer sensor signals to the machine that it is time for the milking unit to be automatically detached from the cow's udder. This detachment can happen at any time throughout the rotation of the carousel. The milking unit is then sanitized and prepped for the next cow. A 5th milking technician does a last visual check of the cow to ensure that she has been thoroughly milked and applies a disinfectant to the cow's teats. Within 1.5 minutes of leaving the cow, the milk is flash cooled to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooled milk then makes its way into one of the 6 waiting milk tanker trucks. The technology we are using on our farm to cool our milk helps to guarantee that a safe and wholesome product leaves the farm. Because of this care and attention to detail, Kinnard Farms is able to produce the award-winning, high-quality milk that our family has become known for. Cow comfort is important to us because it leads to high-quality, wholesome milk. The barns at Kinnard Farms are called freestall barns because our girls are allowed to eat, drink, and socialize at their leisure. The average cow lies down 14 hours per day. That's why it was important to build this new barn with extra roomy stalls that make it easy for our girls to relax. Our girls lie on recycled sand bedding cleaned right here on the farm in an extremely innovative, sustainable, and environmentally friendly process. Research has shown that sand bedding is not only the most comfortable and the cleanest for the cows, it also helps us to produce the highest quality milk. Our cows are fed a diet developed by a dairy nutritionist. The cow's feed, which is grown by our very own outdoor team, includes alfalfa, corn silage, and triticale, which is a grass that is a cross between wheat and rye. A cow has a stomach with 4 compartments that allows her to convert these crops very efficiently into milk. The silage is blended with other crops, vitamins, and minerals that round out the cow's diets, with over 70% of our girls' grocery needs being met with crops that have been raised on our own farm. The Kinnard Farms feeding team prepares and delivers specially formulated recipes for every animal on the farm daily. Fresh feed is available to our girls around the clock. Newborn calves are the future of Kinnard Farms. The birthing process of the mother cow is closely monitored 24 hours a day, even on holidays. Calves grow up to become the cows that produce milk, so we make it a priority to get them off to a healthy start. As soon as the calf is born, she receives her mother's colostrum, the first milk the cow produces that is rich in antibodies. The calf is then cared for in a deep straw bed. They also receive vaccines to boost their immune system. In 2 years, these calves will be part of the milking herd. The calves are raised off-site at a farm that specializes in calf raising. The ideal temperature range for dairy cows is between 25 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Like other mammals, cows are warm-blooded and need to maintain a constant core body temperature. At Kinnard Farms, our cows are in a constant controlled environment called a cross-ventilated freestall barn. Fans, controlled by computers, vary their speed to adjust to both hot and cold outside temperatures. In our new barn, recycled water flows down a weeping water wall while air is pulled through it, almost like an air conditioner. When it's hot outside, this innovative technology cools the barn 20 degrees below the outside temperature to make each and every cow comfortable. When the temperature is 20 degrees below zero, the temperature in the barn can be raised to keep the cows warmer. Not only does this technology keep our cows comfortable, but it also works to keep our talented team of employees very comfortable as well. Cow comfort and cow health are top priorities at Kinnard Farms because comfortable, healthy cows produce high-quality milk. Our family believes in always adapting and improving our cow care as new techniques and technologies are discovered through research and innovation. We take great pride in producing a wholesome, natural, nutritious food that builds strong bones in children and provides 9 essential vitamins and minerals for you and your families. Our family is proud to be a part of this community. Everyone at Kinnard Farms still holds true to the same core values set by our parents, grandparents, and indeed our great-grandparents. We remain focused on